everyone, welcome to my channel, The Gadget Galaxy. So, today, since this is my first video, I'll be showing you how to start up a Canva account. So let's go. First, you need to open a new Google tab and type Canva on the search bar. Once you type Canva, you need to click the first link. Once you do that, it will take you to the Canva homepage where you can either click login if you already have an account or sign up if you don't. I'll do sign up. Once you click sign up, you can continue with your account or another account. I'll do it with my account. Once you click the account you are continuing with, then you can either click cancel if you don't accept the terms and conditions or continue. And in 1 minute, you are signed in into your Canva account and ready to make awesome videos. So that's it. Bye. Stay tuned.